Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance. New Boeing orders, 737 retirement plans and major delivery news. Boeing makes headlines with fresh aircraft orders, plans to retire older 737 models, and a major boost in deliveries. Find out which airlines are ordering new jets, how the 737 phase-out is unfolding, and what this means for Boeing's future. Stay updated with the latest aviation developments. Boeing deliveries surge in April 2025. Boeing delivered 45 commercial jets in April 2025, nearly doubling the 24 delivered in April 2024. This included 29 737 MAX planes, with notable deliveries to United Airlines, 8, Ryanair, 5, and Southwest Airlines, 5. The company has delivered 175 aircraft year-to-date, comprising 133 737 MAX, 21 787s, and 11 777 freighters. The increase reflects Boeing's efforts to stabilize 737 MAX production after quality issues in 2024. However, deliveries to Chinese airlines were disrupted due to a temporary trade war-related ban. China lifts delivery ban in April 2025. China imposed a ban on its airlines accepting Boeing deliveries amid a US-China trade war, triggered by 145% US tariffs on Chinese goods and China's retaliatory 125% tariffs. This led to the return of several 737 MAX jets to the US, including one intended for Xiamen Airlines. On May 13, 2025, China lifted the ban following a temporary tariff reduction agreement, allowing 25 of 30 pre-2023 737 MAX jets and 4 777 freighters to proceed to Chinese carriers. Qatar Airways' massive widebody order. On May 14, 2025, Qatar Airways placed a historic order for 160 Boeing widebody jets, 777X and 787 models, with options for 50 more, valued at $96 billion. Announced during U.S. President Donald Trump's visit to Qatar, this deal is Boeing's largest for widebody aircraft and bolsters its order book, which includes 521 777X and 828 787 orders as of April 30, 2025. Saudi Arabia's Avilease order. Avilease, owned by Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, ordered 2,737 to 8 jets with options for 10 more on May 13, 2025. This deal supports Boeing's 737 MAX program and aligns with Saudi Arabia's aviation expansion plans. Boeing also booked 8 additional 737 MAX orders from unidentified customers in April, slightly up from April 2024. Ryanair's tariff-related order threats. Ryanair, Boeing's largest European customer, threatened to cancel orders for 737 MAX aircraft, valued at over $30 billion, if US-led tariffs significantly increase costs. CEO Michael O'Leary cited potential price hikes and explored alternatives like China's Comac C919, though its smaller capacity and lack of European certification pose challenges. Ryanair's current orders include 29 737 MAX aircraft by March 2026, and 150 firm orders plus 150 options for 737 MAX 10 starting in 2027. 737 MAX production stabilization. Boeing is focusing on stabilizing 737 MAX production, which faced setbacks in 2024 due to quality issues and a 2-month worker strike. CEO Kelly Ortberg reported production at a monthly rate in the low 30s, aiming to reach the regulator-capped 38 jets per month by year-end. This follows a production slump in 2024, exacerbated by a January 2024 incident involving a poorly installed panel on a 737 MAX. Impact of U.S.-China trade war. The U.S.-China trade war significantly disrupted Boeing's delivery plans. In April 2025, 4 737 MAX jets were stranded at Boeing's Zhoushan, China, finishing center, and 3 were repatriated to Seattle after China halted deliveries. Boeing plans to resell up to 50 planes originally destined for Chinese carriers, leveraging strong global demand. Ortberg noted that overall demand remains unaffected, supporting continued 737 MAX production increases. 737 retirement trends. While specific 737 retirement plans were not detailed in recent reports, American Airlines' March 2024 order announcement included plans to retire its 50-seat aircraft E145/CRJ-200s by the decade's end, alongside converting 3,737 MAX 8 orders to MAX 10s. This suggests a broader industry shift toward newer, more efficient models like the 737 MAX, potentially accelerating older 737 retirements. Boeing's financial outlook. Boeing reported a smaller than expected loss in Q1 2025, with shares rising 6% on April 23, 2025, due to higher jet output and better cash flow. The company delivered 130 planes in Q1, up from 83 in Q1 2024, despite trade war challenges. Boeing is navigating recovery from a quality crisis and a 2024 strike by 30,000 workers, with Ortberg emphasizing cautious production growth to protect financial stability. Global demand and strategic moves. Boeing's 5,600 plane order backlog reflects robust global demand, undeterred by tariffs. The company is redirecting China-bound jets to other customers, with interest from airlines like Malaysia Airlines, which may receive 737 MAX jets earlier due to China's delivery halt. Boeing is also lobbying against tariffs, with Ortberg advocating for a non-tariff environment, highlighting the company's critical role as the U.S.'s largest goods exporter. Analysis and outlook. Boeing's recent performance shows resilience amid challenges. The surge in April deliveries and major orders from Qatar Airways and Aviation underscore strong market confidence in the 737 MAX and wide-body programs. However, the U.S.-China trade war exposed vulnerabilities, with China's temporary delivery ban disrupting cash flow. Ryanair's threats highlight tariff-related risks, but Boeing's ability to resell jets and stabilize production mitigates these concerns. The lack of specific 737 retirement data suggests airlines are prioritizing fleet modernization, likely phasing out older 737 models for MAX variants. Boeing's strategic focus on production ramps, tariff lobbying, and leveraging global demand positions it to navigate ongoing trade and quality challenges effectively. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.